Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Yamaha R3 lightweight super sport motorcycle. Only 1,700 miles on this gorgeous silver and blue metallic R3. Super easy to ride, great bike for a new rider. It's got gold anodized adjustable levers, and again, just 1,700 miles. This thing is barely broken in. Come by, make your sport bike dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.